Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can keyframe audio in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am in Davinci Resolve, and I have added a video with some audio that I've recorded. I just recorded my voice, and I made a compound clip out of 2 clips, and I'm going to show you guys how to keyframe it. Now, there are a couple of ways you can keyframe it. If you go into the Edit tab and select the audio, you have a couple of different things you can do here. Now, everything that has this diamond shape next to it is something you can keyframe. For example, the pan, you can very easily keyframe that. Panning is basically just going from one earphone to another. 0 is equal or balanced on both earphones. -100 is completely on the left, 100 is completely on the right, and you can very easily change that. Now, to actually start keyframing this, what you need to do is select where you want to start keyframing. For example, let's say I want to start here at the very beginning, and I want that to start from the left earphone. I'm just going to hit this diamond icon, and then I'm going to go all the way to where I want it to transition fully into the right earphone. Now that I am at this time code where I want to transition into the right, and from here I want it to completely be on the right, I'm just going to drag the slider all the way to the right, and as you can see, it automatically created a new keyframe. And now if I play it, it's gonna start transitioning from one keyframe or from one earphone to another, starting with the left and completely ending on the right wherever I added that keyframe, which is at this time code. And that's basically how you, well, keyframe audio. You can also keyframe it if you want a fade in effect or fade out effect. You can start at the very beginning, then you can lower the volume to -100, start a keyframe, then go to, for example, 2 seconds, and let's say here I want it to be completely normal, and go all the way to 0, which is just the normal audio. And now, as you can see here, the line is rising, meaning that the audio is going from quiet to actually full volume from these 2 points. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.